Language. 1. Listen and repeat the following words and phrases.
Review 1. Page 36. Pronunciation. Activity 1. Listen and repeat the following words and phrases.
Spaceship. Colourful clothing. Toothbrush. Risky. English practice. Bloom. Blow. Braw people. Presents. Stamp collecting.
Two. Listen to the sentences and underline the words with sk, sp, st, br, pr, and cl in the following sentences. Then read the sentences aloud.
Activity 2. Listen to the sentences and underline the words with sk, sp, st, br, pr, blah, and cla in the following sentences. Then read the sentences aloud.
1. I used to climb trees when I was small.
2. How can we improve our speaking skills?
3. How annoying! The stadium has closed.
4. I want to buy a blue skirt for my mother.
5. On a dark day, I saw a witch riding a broom in the sky.